Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amaka, and I am back with another video. For today's video, it's something different. I've never done this on my channel, you know, so I just come up with this 5-minute browns challenge. So I'll be tagging you that's watching right there. So guys, do not hesitate to watch the video right to the end so you can see if your name it's been tagged on the video, because I'll be putting your names on the screen. So please make sure you do the tag, okay? 5-minute challenge browns. Like, this is my brown that I did for 5 minutes. Like, I've not done anything with it. I did it with my time, you know. I used my phone in timing myself. So I hope you would do the challenge. I hope you will do this challenge for me. Please, I will be waiting to see it. And please score me on the browns, like my scores on the brown. Give me your own from 10 downwards. So you should give me your score. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Without further ado, let's get into our video. We just go in and then we set up our time. So I'll just go in and check for the alarm clock. So the time now is 9:34. Before we set up our alarm and everything, it should be 9:35. So we'll go in with, I will set it up with 9:40. So I'll just set it up with 9:40. So that's it. Our time is being set of 9:40. So now our time to start now. So first thing I go in with brushing my browns, like putting my browns in place. When I'm done with that, I just go in with my Huda Beauty. No need, I won't be telling you guys what I'm using. You guys will just figure it out. So I'm gonna tag some people in this challenge. I'm gonna tag, I think, I don't know yet, but you check it at the end of the video. Your name will be there. So I'm gonna tag you. So make sure you check it at the end of the video. It's 5 minutes. You got. Sorry guys, messages from YouTube. So just go in now and feed into browns. You know, I got just 5 minutes. I don't know, you got 5 minutes. You got just 5 minutes. Stop. So in this video, not edited, so you guys will just watch and see. Oh my god, what's the time? I don't want to even time. I mean, your girl don't want to even look at the time, you know. I got just 2 minutes left. Oh my god. So let me go in now and watch it. 1 more minute left, guys. Ah! Oh my god. Yet I have too much concealer here underneath my eyebrows. Where's my brush? It's falling. And guys, the time is up. The time is up. As you guys can see, it's 9:40. 9:40 and my time is up. As you guys can see how it turns out. This is my 5-minute challenge browns. As you guys can see, how many will you guys give me? So this is my finishing look of my 10 minutes of brown challenge. So I will be tagging some people. I will just put your name up here at the side for you guys to see, okay? Because I have to go into YouTube now to check those crazy friends I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I think this is the end of my tutorial. This is my 5-minute brown challenge. I'm not doing anything with this. I'm just gonna try and get my thumbnails in. Let's it. Thanks. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much, and peace out.